Hello, I'm going to show you something I bet you didn't know about weight and water. Here I've got a simple digital scale and a measuring jug. Now the measuring jug measures in milliliters, so you can see there's a scale on the side that goes up in increments of 100. So it goes 100, 200, 300, and so on, all the way up to 1,000 milliliters. And you and I both know that 1,000 milliliters is the same as 1 liter. This is where today's fact comes in. 1 liter of water is always going to weigh exactly 1 kilogram. Let's see if we can prove it using the scales, the jug, and some water. The empty jug actually weighs 74 grams. We're going to have to factor that in when we weigh our liter of water. Now, we could do some maths and take that away from our total. Lucky for me, these scales have a thing called tare, which means that it sets the weight of the jug to 0, so it only weighs the water that we put into the jug itself. Right, let's fill this with 1 liter of water. Keep an eye on how many milliliters are going in, and when we get to a liter, let's have a look at how much 1 liter weighs. And there we go. Now, you'll notice it's not exactly 1 kilogram. In fact, I've got 1 kilogram and 8 grams, or 1,008 grams. That's because it's basically impossible to get a perfectly, exactly accurate measurement. You can get better measurements using more accurate tools, and a simple set of kitchen scales probably aren't going to give you the most accurate result, but it's enough to show us that 1 liter of water weighs 1 kilogram. Now that you know this, you'll find it a lot easier to estimate how much something weighs, because you can think about how much a liter of water weighs. All you need is a bottle of water. Why not have a go around the house? You could even use a pair of scales to see if you're correct. That's it for now. I'll catch you next time.